Rekeying, or replacing exterior locks before you move in, is the single most effective step to ensure you control who has access to your new home. Start by prioritizing all exterior entry points, including front and back doors, garage pedestrian doors, basement entries, and any detached shed or gate locks. For each door, decide whether rekeying the existing cylinder will suffice or whether a full replacement is safer. Rekeying preserves the hardware and is faster, while replacement is best when locks are old, damaged, or non-standard. Consider installing smart locks on primary entrances that provide audit trails and temporary digital keys for service providers, but pair them with solid mechanical backup in case of power or network failure. Change all garage door opener and keypad codes and remove any old key fobs from the garage system if possible, then test that codes and tags are working as intended. When preparing for the locksmith visit, gather all existing keys, note door handing and measurements for non-standard locks, and clear access around the lock set so the technician can work quickly. If you plan to do the rekeying yourself, buy a rekeying kit specific to the lock brand, follow the kit instructions carefully, keep track of pins and springs, and test the new key in each lock multiple times before locking up. The most common mistake is assuming the previous owners do not have copies of keys, which leaves you vulnerable. Fix this by rekeying or replacing every exterior cylinder before moving boxes in. Another frequent issue is neglecting secondary access points like sheds, basements, and gates, so walk the perimeter and treat each separate lock with the same priority as the main door. People also overlook garage opener security and rely solely on mechanical rekeys. Change remote codes and keypad combinations and consider a new opener or a smart garage controller that supports unique user codes so you can revoke access when needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and locksmiths to get accurate quotes and timing for rekeying or lock replacement, and we make it simple for contractors to list services and find customers. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences and practical tips about securing a new house.